Entire Ayodhya, in fact, is in a way financed by
devotees donation.
devotees' contribution.
Correct.
So they must get the facility that they are living, because it's a matter of faith. They will be willing to do anything to get their faith fulfilled.
When I came here first, उस टाइम तो पहली लेयर भी डली नहीं थी, आपका गड्ढा नहीं हुआ था. Then I came when that engineered soil was done and
Yeah.
the 7 layers of granite were being put. Only 3 layers were put at that time in some areas. Then when I came, some work had started happening. Then it was almost complete except for the Sanctum Sanctorum में वो काम हो रहा था. But the project of this, level to be carried out like this means if we put our head together, we can do it.
Yeah. It needed cooperation of everybody for a very timely.
Wanted to ask one final question. You were running the Prime Minister's office. Then you came here to build the most talked about construction in this country in over a century. How has this experience changed you?
You will not believe, because it sounds a little bit playing up my own personality. Therefore, I am generally hesitant, but I will confess. Till I was Principal Secretary to the Prime Minister. So from the first day of training as Indian Administrative Service, you call it probation officer, till I left the PMO, mostly my description of achievement or doing completion of the work was very loud use of the word I. The I was coming very strongly. I organized this meeting and a decision was taken. Perhaps your training is such that you have to speak in that tone, also because you are equally keen to impress your seniors. When here for 5 years, the moment the word I came, immediately I got a knock here, be humble. You are only an instrument. And I often quote, Ma Amritanandmayi had sent me a message. In that message it is written, remember, you are only an instrument to complete the task assigned by God. So these 5 years, it was jarring if somebody said, Aapne ye bana diya.
Really?
It looked as if he and I, we are committing sin if we are believing it. This was totally a work assigned in a divine manner. Also now complete. So I had that satisfaction.
And have you seen others around you also change like this? Because you have been involved with people for 5 years. I know, जो ILD से थे, टाटा से थे, बाकी security के थे, people who have come and met you, रॉक मैनेजमेंट वाले वो जो थे, आते थे कहाँ से, कोलार से.
या मैसूर से थे.
उनमें आपने चेंजेस देखे हैं कुछ होते हुए?
See, the thing that I will say, because I never discussed the personal matter, but when I saw their cooperation, there was something compelling them. Not even a single person for a single moment ever said, he cannot do it, he is too busy, it can't be delivered. like that. Everyone said only one sentence, राम के काम में हम जुड़ जाएं, इससे बड़ी कौन सी चीज है. So सब लोग ये चाहते थे आप मुझे काम दीजिए.
They almost felt as if it's a privilege to be given
Yeah.
some work.
तो वो सीख कर रहे थे आप मुझे काम दीजिए, हम तो राम के नाम पे काम करेंगे. कितने लोगों ने पेमेंट नहीं लिया है. आप पूछ रहे थे कि सूर्य की किरण का, वो जो सारा गैजेट है जिसके जरिए वो सूर्य की किरण फॉल करता है भगवान के उस पे, दैट हैज बीन डन बाय ए फर्म इन बैंगलोर. एंड व्हेन वी आस्क्ड व्हाट विल यू टेक फॉर दिस वर्क, ही सेड zero. He has not taken any money. He has just
As
done
contribution
it.
to
Yeah,
the temple.
he has just taken, and he's going to do the operation and management also free of cost. Initially, when the Sangh and Vishwa Hindu Parishad decided to launch a collection, they went to more than 4 lakh villages. They contacted more than 10 crore families, and they could get donation. Of course, there were big donations, but a small donation to big donation, the total was 3,200 crores.
Correct.
So when you say, "Hey, ये सब अच्छा हो गया," अच्छा इसलिए भी हो गया because we are sitting on money.
Money was never.
In fact, the challenge is, and maybe we may not have passed that challenge, it should have, I mean, the ask of the time was, the assigned responsibility to us was, please handle this donation money very carefully. It is God's money.
Don't waste.
So don't just throw away money like that. That was important. It even now remains important.